Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're in the market for a new Android tablet, let me tell you, 2026 has been a game changer. I've had a chance to check out a bunch of them, and today I'm breaking down the best Android tablets of 2026. Let's get into it and find out which one's right for you. Let's start with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. Now this one is seriously a beast when it comes to everyday use and performance. You get a 10.9-inch display that's super vibrant. Whether you're streaming Netflix, reading, or working, the screen just pops. What I love about this tablet is how well-rounded it is. The battery life is solid, meaning you're good for a full day of use, even with heavy multitasking. Plus, it comes with S Pen support, which is perfect if you're into note-taking or drawing. It's not just for work, though. The performance here is fast enough for pretty much anything you throw at it, including light photo editing and gaming. And if you're already in the Samsung ecosystem, this tablet makes syncing with your phone and other Samsung devices super easy. Honestly, if you want premium without going totally overboard, this is a fantastic choice. It's versatile. Productivity, media, drawing, all in one device. Plus, it's pretty affordable for what you get. Grab the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus through the link in the description and check it out. Now, if you want to go all out, check out the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. This one is top tier in every way. The 12.4-inch AMOLED display is gorgeous. You'll find yourself watching movies and gaming in stunning detail. Performance? It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, so it's seriously fast. Whether you're multitasking with tons of apps open or editing high-res videos, this thing has zero lag. The speakers are surprisingly good too. I was actually impressed by the sound quality. This is definitely the tablet you want if you're into heavy multitasking or want a tablet that can replace your laptop for certain tasks. The S Pen experience is great for creatives, and it's perfect for artists or anyone who needs precision for their work. This tablet is meant to impress. Big screen, fast performance, and great audio. It's a true premium device. Check out the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra through the link below. Next up is the Honor Magic V2, and let me tell you, this one is a futuristic marvel. It's a foldable tablet that transforms when you open it, so you get the best of both worlds. When folded, it's a compact device with a 6.5-inch screen, perfect for quick tasks or media. But when you unfold it, you're greeted with a massive 8-inch display that's perfect for productivity, gaming, or anything you can throw at it. The flexibility of having both a phone and tablet in one is really cool. Plus, it's lightweight, so it's super portable, and the build quality is premium, giving you that nice wow factor. If you want something that feels like the future of tech, this is definitely worth considering. It's foldable, compact when you need it, big when you want it, and it's a serious attention grabber. Grab the Honor Magic Vi 2 through the link in the description. The OnePlus Pad 3 is a solid all-rounder for those who want power and affordability. The 10.8-inch display is sharp and smooth, with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is fantastic for gaming or streaming. Performance-wise, this tablet holds up well with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which means apps open quickly and multitasking is smooth. The speakers are great for media consumption, and the Dolby Atmos sound really boosts the experience. Battery life? You're looking at a full day of use, no problem. OnePlus is known for giving you great performance at a reasonable price, and the OnePlus Pad 3 is no different. If you need a do-it-all tablet that won't cost you a fortune, this is your pick. It's got that premium feel without the premium price tag. Great performance for media, gaming, and productivity. Check out the OnePlus Pad 3 with the link below. If gaming is your thing, the Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 3 is designed for you. This tablet is all about gaming performance, with a high refresh rate display, quad speakers, and optimized graphics to give you the best gaming experience. But it's not just for gaming. It's a great all-around tablet for things like streaming and work, and the battery can last hours, even with more demanding tasks. It also has a solid cooling system, so you won't have to worry about it getting too hot during those long gaming sessions. For the casual gamer or anyone who wants a serious device for gaming on the go, this is a great option. It's built for gaming and handles all your everyday tasks seamlessly too. Grab the Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 3 from the link in the description. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro is one of the best values for 2026. With a 10.1-inch display and a strong set of features, it's a great option if you're looking for a tablet that handles media consumption and light productivity. The refresh rate is solid, the screen is sharp, and it handles streaming, reading, and light tasks with ease. Battery life is fantastic, and fast charging ensures you're back in action quickly. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles of the premium models, but for everyday use, it does everything you need without breaking the bank. Affordable, yet still delivers a great media experience. Perfect for those who need a solid tablet but don't want to spend a lot. Find the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro in the description. Pro. And if you want something even more budget-friendly, check out the Xiaomi Pad 7 AI. It's got a 7-inch display, so it's smaller and more compact than some of the others, but it still gets the job done. It's perfect for casual users who need a tablet for browsing, watching videos, and reading books. While it's not the most powerful on the list, it offers great value for money. If you're looking for a solid tablet for basic tasks, This is a great entry-level option. Budget-friendly with a solid screen and great performance for simple tasks. Check out the Xiaomi Pad 7 AI via the link below. So that's a wrap on the best Android tablets of 2026. Whether you're after a premium experience, a gaming powerhouse, or something budget-friendly, these tablets are built to fit your lifestyle. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details and to grab your favorite. Let me know in the comments which tablet you're most excited to try, and hit that like button if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.